Well, I just had a chance to review my product. The packaging is it's all taped up. Seems like pretty old box, which box is okay, I don't care. But this other box is all broken. The unit seems to be fine, but the carrying case is all broken, all damaged. I'm not sure if it's because of the shipping or that's the way they sent it. You can see here, it's pretty beat up. Pretty beat up. So broke. Hopefully the unit is not damaged. As you can see, I haven't even unwrapped power cord, so I'm gonna plug it in and give it a try. Okay, so the unit works.